Hello everyone, Dwayne the RV Inspector here with another RV quick tip. Just a few weeks ago I made a video about RV batteries and which ones you can choose for your particular rig. Well, if you have AGM batteries or you have lithium batteries, they're pretty low maintenance. You really don't have to worry about doing an awful lot. But if you have lead acid batteries that have the little twist-off caps on the top, well, that's a pretty good giveaway that it's a wet cell lead acid RV battery. And what that means is that there's actually water inside those cells. And through the charging and discharging cycles, well, the water can evaporate out. So it means that just about every month or so, you should be going out there checking the water level in your batteries. But you know, that's kind of difficult for some folks because it's not always easy to get in there where your battery bank is. I mean, here's mine right here, and it can be a little challenging to really get in to see every cell and so on. So, and then the question comes up, well, how far do you fill it? Well, you can eliminate all of those questions and all of those issues with something I've got right here. This has just been great for me. It's a watering can for wet cell RV batteries. Now what happens is that when you turn the cap and you take it off, you just place this end inside the battery cell and push. And when you do, it will automatically fill the battery to the right level. You'll hear it if it's filling water into the battery. When it's done, you just release it, take it out, and put the cap back on. Now let me show you what I'm talking about right here. Okay, let's see just how simple and easy this is. First of all, remove the cap, set it out of the way, take the can, place it right over the cell, and push down. And if the water is up to the right level, you won't hear anything. If it's not up to the right level, you'll hear a little gurgling as the water is going in. When you're done, just lift up and replace the cap. And that is as easy as it is. Well, that's pretty easy there, isn't it? It really doesn't take me any time to water my batteries. It's very simple. It's very easy. I don't have to have any guessing whether it was done right or any of that. So it's a product that I have used and have been very pleased with. So I'll put a link to this watering can in the description below. If you think it'll work well for you, that's great. Now, if you like this video and you like the tip, would you do me a favor and like the video? Also, we'd love to have you comment below if you have another method for watering batteries, because there are several different methods. If you have one that's worked well for you, please tell us about it in the comments below or give us feedback on this RV quick tip. Also, I'd love to have you as part of our online family. To do that, just hit that subscribe button, and that way you won't miss any videos that I'm putting out on a twice weekly basis now. Well, that's it for now. Have safe and happy travels, my friends. Until next time.